Good morning, everyone. And so today is Power BI demo. And Power BI, part of Microsoft Fabric. Is part of Microsoft Fabric. So I use the words of Fabric. Don't feel panic. When you go through online portals and many places, just Power BI, general Power BI components, an old subject, the basic subject you will find. But when you learn from good institutions, always you find proper, effective content and respect to period content. Now, Power BI is Fabric Power BI. So you need to learn the beautiness of Fabric by going through a couple of videos, by reading a couple of materials. If you feel like, yes, I got Power BI, you cannot do anything. The subject is completely different. Up to some level, you can generate reports by watching videos available in the Vimeo, YouTube, and other areas. Up to some level. But if you really want to work strongly, you are establishing a wonderful career, you must learn properly. This course is designed for that. In case you are preparing for certification, yes. So my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. And if you want to talk to me, these are the timings. And I'm working as a senior lead consultant. The training type is basics to advanced, 60 days duration. Yes, compulsory required, and daily 1 hour. So my session 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours for practice. If I take 2 hours, it's really tough for you to practice in a day. And weekly, Monday to Friday classes I will take. Classes mode online and offline both available. An institution provides daily videos. Today, after finishing the class, you will get the video. And the video is access for 1.5 years. As we are paying to Google, so there is a restriction on this. So communication, WhatsApp, materials you will get theory, practical, both the materials. No need to ask anyone. Mock interviews conducted for those completed the training and preparing for the interviews. And MSBI is another component from Microsoft for business intelligence. In that component, tabular cube, 1 hour I will take the session. SQL sessions I will take 4 hours. But my recommendation, learn the whole course and prioritize the 9 topics. And projects, 2 near real-time projects I will cover. And multiple case studies. So our institute strength is case studies and projects. You can ask anyone, they will tell you. And in the case studies and projects level, real-time approaches I will explain. And the training objective, real-time working perspective. Interview, if you are preparing proper knowledge for interview. PL 300, this is a certification for Power BI, this certification knowledge. And you want to generate own reports? Yes, this is the last one. And you're a manager, you want to learn Power BI to generate your own reports, highly possible. So the class will give you real-time trialing, real-time working knowledge, interview supportive knowledge, and certification suitable knowledge, and own report generation knowledge. Any graduate eligible to learn. And it is a component of low code. No IIT level, no restrictions with the qualifications, graduation sufficient, and Power BI purely low code component. I'm not saying no code, low code. Why is that low code? In case your company doing some business operations and you want to write some formulas and logics, it's possible by using this low code component. And you can use Power BI as a report developer. The current Power BI training helps you to try as a report developer. Since you are going to generate reports, or a BA developer, business intelligence developer, data analyst, and a business analyst, technical, and a data scientist. So data scientist level, you need Power BI and multiple other components. So there also you get advantage. These are the major areas where we try and use Power BI. Major areas, multiple ways. The current market is for analysts. Yeah, AI. So with the help of BA, you can easily move into AI. These operations, you can do it. So any questions in this screenshot from anyone?
No questions.
I am going to explain. Yes, please.
Sir, automation is also happens nowadays in Power BI also, no?
Even Power BI having automation, but report generation analysis never happen through automation. That is always manual intervention.
Got it.
Analysis, report generation is customer need. So automatically it cannot prepare. Even to prepare also, we need to give manual input.
Right.
So don't think if AI comes or some other comes, Power BI market will go on. No impact as long as IT industry is available. Those benefits Power BI also required, or BA tools are required. Only certain areas the AI will replace, not all the areas. Yes, sir. Ask your questions, please. The next.
So what is the difference between a developer and an analyst?
So he will participate more into technical side. An analyst level, he work on data understanding, business understanding, and then drive the insights. But developer purely work on technical components, technical operations, including technical design creation. This is more technical role. This is business and technical role, both.
Sir, and which among this, which have a great opportunity to go for it? BI developer or data analyst or business
It's not
developer?
like that. See, based on your experience, you can choose the right one.
Okay.
It's not like this is having more opportunities and this is having more. According to your experience, and according to your knowledge and skill set combination, you can consider the highest one. Take data scientist. Data scientists having opportunities more, people also more. And report developer, BA developer, opportunities more, people also more. Data analyst, here opportunities more, but people are less because there's no clarity in the market still. Business analyst, opportunities more, people are less. Because different companies asking different types of analytical roles and responsibilities. But Power BI helps in all these areas. That's what I can say. Now, IT resources.
So we should have good knowledge in Excel to learn Power BI.
No, madam, I'm going to conclude that. Kindly wait for a moment. And who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room. I'll open the window again. Kindly wait. So IT resources. Today and tomorrow, I will use technical words. So you will enjoy it. Non-IT resources. Don't feel panic. It is your responsibility to learn technical words. Slowly you'll understand. Once 2-3 classes completed, definitely you will habituate to continue with the terminology and process. But wait for 2 days. There are 2 demo classes, and today is the first demo and tomorrow is the second demo. And today, first demo, I will explain 20 minutes introduction and next 40 minutes this session. Don't expect any practical in today's session. It's a very systematic training. I will start from basics to advanced. who are all interested to learn complete depth of Power BI from basics to advanced, yes, please join for that. Academic way, basics to advanced, but more and more case studies and projects I will cover during the classes. Today I will give you the awareness. How many types of data available, business intelligence applications available, and difference between MSBA, Power BI, Azure BI, what is Fabric, Power BI components, which is very important. If you don't have strong knowledge on this, not normal. On this aspect, if you don't have strong knowledge, you cannot become a proper data analyst or a BA developer or data scientist. So this is the most important one. Many people take it very light. So in the middle of the course, at the end of the course, they feel very panicked. Sir, I'm not able to understand. I'm not able to get the complete clarity. So if you don't want to move into that situation, then listen to it properly and go through the material which I'm sharing today. So these are the very important fundamentals, which which I can't explain again and again in the classes. And tomorrow, first demo recap for 10 minutes, and next 40 minutes, we'll see a practical. Or we have a practical part. And coming to two months duration components, and the 2 months, I will cover this part first and this part next, or in mix. And what is this? This will help you project level real-time working level, what all you require, I will cover here. First one, you are entering into data warehousing and business intelligence industry. So data warehousing knowledge, data modeling knowledge, agile methodology, brief understanding, GitHub versioning. These all I will explain. First one. Second one, to near real-time projects to work happily in the companies and multiple case studies as well. And you may work with the databases in the real time. Power BI works on data from different sources, cloud sources, files, databases, ERP, CRM applications, many more. But more and more databases. So I'll give you 3 to 4 hours knowledge on databases. And tell you what are the 9 topics required for interview and work happily in the companies. But my recommendation, learn a whole course in our institute or outside, your wish. We also offer complete course, you can join. I cannot explain complete SQL part in these classes. And Power BI Flash will reduce. MSBA tabular cube, and many companies are using cubes nowadays. And what is cube? How do you work on it? I'll give you 1 or 2 hours training or video. And for job trials, resume preparation is compulsory. FAQs, mock interviews are compulsory. Yes, I will provide you. This is with respect to projects and real-time perspective. And this is your subject, cloud components, on-premises components. And along with that, you need to have little understanding on Power Apps and Power Automate. This also I'm going to cover. This is what I'm going to explain next 2 months. And this is at high level, very high level. And low level content I will show you now. Don't worry. And institution side, theory, practical material. Training is fully practical training. And you will be having good interaction with me during the classes. And FAQs are discussed. And if you have any questions you want to share with others or any details required regarding Power BI subjective knowledge details, WhatsApp group will be there. Daily live class videos are shared properly with intimation and notification. Whether you attend or not, you will get a proper notification. Resume preparation sessions also conducted. So these are the opportunities available below 5 years. These opportunities below 5 years available. Power BI developer and SQL. This combination more, 90% opportunities on this. So then what is DAX? DAX is a language inside Power BI for modeling and analysis. For modeling analysis, that I will explain you for 10 hours, 10 to 12 hours. Very important. Because of this language, we call Power BI as a low-code application. And you can try as a support resource. My course cover 90% support resource responsibility, admin also 90%. In case already you're having knowledge on this, or this, or this, or this, you can try in the combinations. But you have more than 5 years of experience in Power BI, then these are the positions available. So by learning this course, not possible. My course is good to try this. But you want to keep more than 5 years, compulsory 1 or 2 projects, end-to-end knowledge is required. Without working end-to-end 1 or 2 projects, you cannot try as a modeler, a designer, a specialist, or architect. But these are the different opportunities. So if you ask me, sir, down the line of 10 years, where can I be? So you may be a designer or specialist if you dedicatedly stay tuned with Power BI. And highly remunerated positions, more package. And you can stick to Power BI. You can continue as a specialist or architect forever. So these are the different opportunities available. Coming to providings. So many institutes say, yes, we will provide daily video and all. I don't know whether they will provide systematically or not. But coming to our institution, we provide everything very systematically and properly. For every batch, we'll create a folder, take 7 exam, for example. So day 1 onwards, everything you'll receive. First demo, second demo, next class. And if you look at this, more practical oriented from 3rd class onwards. Demo level I cannot take, but 3rd class onwards, complete practical. See the headings, Power BI in projects and usage. Case study 1, case study 2. See, I'm explaining case studies only at the beginning of classes. And my first 20 classes are sufficient if you want to grab more knowledge. Later, I go for subjective knowledge. I'll give you better hands-on in the first 20 days. Later, subject only, 1 by 1 subject. See, subject only. See the page-related reporting concept, projects, resume preparation, everything I conducted for them. So this is the way I will conduct for all batches and share the videos, documents. Only one thing, you have to have good passion to learn the subject in detail. And the checklist, what I covered. There will be a checklist, even you will get today. The checklist level, all topics, what I'm going to cover and how long I'm going to cover, I mention here. For example, data extraction, what I'm going to cover, extraction area. If it is completed, I will mention yes. Power query level, what I'm going to complete. Data modeling, what I'm going to complete. Visuals, how many visuals I'm covering and how I'm covering. So 1 by 1, purely systematically, we'll continue the sessions. And this is all topics. What is the order we need to follow for learning? Learning order also mentioned. So this is a checklist I'll be sharing in your email today. Kindly go through. You can consider like a course content, but this one only we follow in the classes. So it's slightly different from the course content. Now coming to WhatsApp. For every group, there is a WhatsApp. Proper updation. Any group. Take 5 p.m. batch. If the video is placed, we'll mention here. Video placed for so and so. So and so topic covered. Every day. Students. And the success rate also good. So recently, hi sir, good morning. I got placed in 2 companies, so and so companies. When a couple of freshers also getting opportunities. Recently, one student got it. So this guy, as a fresher, recently. Sir, నాకు internship వచ్చింది సార్ సో అండ్ కంపెనీ అండ్ 4 months నా పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చూసి ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తా ఉన్నారు. ఎంత పే చేస్తారు? 20,000. He's a fresher. Pure luck. Students, if you see this, she was housewife. She learned course from me and got the job within 2 months. And she completed her certification as well. So I'm thinking of moving to Azure with Power BI as we don't have a client project now. And also doing only research work on Fabric features for the last 3 months. She was a Power BI developer. They like my videos, materials. She got job and working in Power BI, but still she needed latest videos as I'm changing the content time to time. And she recently cleared DP 600 exams. Many more, many people. Right. This is very brief. And this indicate how we are and how we are interacting with the students and addressing their queries, etc. Next one. You can see this. Our student is working on Power BI on premises. People ask questions like this. Yesterday I was in a meeting. He called me. Sir, I deployed a report so and so. What to do? I messaged him. Thank you, sir. But everyone will guide properly. Done, guys. So whatever we provide, I clearly explain. How do we interact? How do we interact with the students also explain. Now it's a time to move to practical part, what I planned for today. And before that, if you have any questions, kindly ask me. In case you haven't provided your email ID and mobile number, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number quickly. Or you want to talk to me, this is my contact number. Kindly keep with you. Call me and talk to me. In the specified timings. Don't hesitate to call me, guys. Take proper session, then only you can build effectively. Any question from anyone? Offline, online people?
No, sir.
Institution and what we provide. And the duration, everything covered. And who are eligible for it? What are the various areas we work in the organizations? I explained clearly and the training suitable way. Now the next part is this. So data to Fabric understanding. So Power BI given in 2013, it was standalone, individual. In 2023, Power BI part of Fabric. So wait till the session closes so that you will get complete understanding. I'll share the screenshots and materials, go through it. Even this video. So without having proper understanding and strong understanding on this, don't start your career. What is data? Everyone aware? Whatever we are able to store in IT level, that is called data. The data available and data not available. Data we keep in three ways. One is structured way. Table format. So database tables, Excel applications support that, and many more. See, column, 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 column by column data available, and it's a fully structured data. So the data we store in IT level, first way is this. Second way, we maintain like this. This is called structure, and this is called data. So structure plus data we maintain like this. This is considered as semi-structured data. Yes, in which situations? There are multiple situations, even we use in our regular classes. JSON, XML, these are all applications keep this kind of semi-structured data. Even in the Power BI classes, we'll see that. We require. And third one, unstructured. Your WhatsApp data, your Twitter data, your Gmail data, your Yahoo Mail data, no structure at all. So we call it as unstructured. At this moment, many people are typing messages, unstructured. So IT level, there are three types of data storage. One is structured, semi-structured, unstructured. And Power BI is really good in the market with these storages and types and formats only. An initial slogan of Power BI and Microsoft attracted customers with this statement: any data, any format, any type. When you refer to history of Microsoft, Power BI, especially Power BI, you see this terminology. You see this statement. The first application in the market which supports any type of data is Power BI. So structured, semi-structured, unstructured, all types of data. Next, storage formats. How companies store the data? First one, file format. This data in the file format. Second, some companies storing the data in database format, tables format. So wherever you go, the data may be in the file format or database format. There are no other formats. Again, storage areas, on-premises or cloud, the files and databases. What is on-premises? Within your company, within your device, within your area, that storage is called on-premises. If we use somebody else's storage, that is called cloud. And today you will receive the video and documents in Google Drive. That is a cloud. And we are all people using cloud and on-premises regularly. Take your mobile, your photos, your videos. First, you are keeping in your mobile device. That is on-premise. Later, you move, you take a backup to Apple Cloud, Samsung Cloud, Google. That is a cloud. So knowingly or unknowingly, we are dealing with this. And don't ask me later, sir, what is cloud? You're working on it. Somebody else's storage area is cloud. We will not use it freely. Mobile organization people giving freely. But coming to our actual data, business data, always chargeable. The first screen is clear for everyone. Next, IT applications. There are many types available. Many types. And you are noticing in the market .NET, Java, Python, SAP, mainframe, DB2, Azure Cloud, AWS, DevOps, many applications and many types. But majorly, we need to focus on two types. Later other types. The first type is business running application. Second type is business analysis application. For example, you started a company today. First, you focus on running your business to keep your business data. Later, you focus on analyzing the data, and then you work on other areas. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So I'm talking about the business running applications. I told you the training is from basics to advanced. So slowly I will move to advanced. Business running. IRCTC. Book My Show. And your mobile level, many ticket booking apps available. Even now, cash transfer, iMobile app from ICICI. SBI Yono app. Once you do your operation, that is a business operation, you will get a message at the end. What is the message? Transaction success, a transaction failed. There are no other messages. If it is success or failed, backend, it will keep the information like so-and-so customer. If it's a train ticket, so-and-so customer, so-and-so PNR number, tickets, amount, etc. maintained in the backend level. And these applications are called technically transactional applications. When you do the processing, immediately you will get the message, immediately the data stored. So we call it as online transaction processing. Don't think online means internet based. So immediately system keeps the data, that is called online. Now the meaning of online is different, but earlier online indicate immediate data processing. In between 90 to 70s, data processing took time. First, people used to write in the records. Later, they entered in the IT computer systems. In 80s to 90s between, we got these applications. So immediately the data stored in the respective storage areas. So those are called OLTP applications. So knowingly or unknowingly, daily we are working with transactional applications. So how do we do that? As a general public, we use web applications, desktop applications, mobile applications, and we open forms and do the necessary booking, do the necessary operation, mostly forms. And the data finally stored in this area. Those are called transactional areas. Transactional data, transaction storage. This is available since 90. So actually 80s to till 90s, this was a superb process. All companies focused on that. But after 90s, again, there is a challenge. Immediate data, people keeping more and more. Transactions increased. The number of transactions, data increased. Now companies decided to analyze it, but there was no analytical system. Early 90s, BA process or analytical process given. This process helps to take this kind of information. For example, IRCTC data analysis. Today, after the call, the management want to analyze how many trains having full booking, how many trains having low booking, which regions having highest demand, which regions having lowest demand, what type of coaches having most demand and type of coaches not having demand at all. That is decision making. So 90s scientists focused on it to construct this kind of data. And this data is called decision making data. This data is called analytical data. This data is called business intelligence data. Because intelligence information it is giving. But it's not a simple task to convert this data into this. We need a process, BA process. First, we use a BA process. We store the data, analytical data, and then we present it. The presentation, again, web, desktop, mobile. And most of the managers, executives nowadays, they're using mobiles only to analyze it. Sir, as a general public, we use forms for transactional process. What about management team or analytical team? They use reports and dashboards. They use reports and dashboards. Then what are the differences? Report is a small unit. Dashboard is a bigger unit. a bigger unit. You can say low level data we show in the report level, high level data we show in the dashboard level. And these words also very frequently we use. Our dashboard, guitar dashboard, electronic guitar dashboard, and many places we use the word. Dashboard is a high level presentation area and report is a low level presentation area. And you guys decided to work in this area. Transactional data, you want to convert to analytical data and then reporting. So your scope is this. Wherever you join, whatever may be the company, your scope is this. We never involved here. The data which was already processed, you will take it, implement this process using Power BI, create a storage, and then help the management team to analyze it in multiple platforms. 1, 2, 3. That is your responsibility once you join in the companies. Got clarity? Got it. Right. Next. And once again, I'm asking the people who just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room. For the demo video, demo documents you will receive. Coming to Power BI. See the picture. General public, transactional application, forms, transactional data. Maybe the transactional data in the on-premises or cloud. It could be anywhere. We people are keeping our laptop documents in the OneDrive, Google Drive, many places. We are keeping it synced with the OneDrive, auto sync in the Microsoft Windows 10 onwards. Yeah, Office 365. So the data available here. And Power BI will come into the picture between your transactional data and management analyzable data. So it will take this data from anywhere and generate report or dashboard. And the report or dashboard contain analytical information. Then how do we do it? Power BI level, two important components available majorly. One is report development component. Second one, report managing component. But what we implement in the whole Power BI level, BI process. So this is data. We implement BA process. So we get OLAP or BA data. So what is important to learn first? BA process. You learn BA process, then you can implement by using this very easily. And this BA process is common for all BA tools. Take any BA tool, Tableau, ClickView, MS BA, any BA tool, the process remains same. There is no change in the process. Understood where exactly you sit in the organizations after learning Power BI? Right. Next. So data, IT applications, and the second category applications, business intelligence applications. This I'm going to explain focus. What is BI? Abbreviation is business intelligence. And cute definition is intelligence to the business or decision making of the business, analysis of the business. What we do? Very simple. We take input as data and we provide output as report or dashboard like this. This is a report and this is a dashboard. This one. So what are the differences? Very simple, as I told you, a report level, individual unit information presented like this, graphically, detailed information presented. Dashboard level, multiple units information at a time presented. You can say high level data. So multiple reports data we take in an area called dashboard. Example, savings account report. Current account report in a banking level. And coming to dashboard level, savings, current, all mentioned in a single area. To talk about a recent business, to talk about a customer business. That is dashboard, consolidated area. So your objective once you join in the company, generating detailed information for analysis or high-level information for the analysis. But how do we generate? Saying is very simple. So we have a process called BA process. See, this is a process. Monitor it. Data goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Able to notice the navigation? So this is the order, mandatory order. So let me explain. General public, platforms, input data. And the data may be in the file or database. And we guys implement by using Power BI or any BI this process, legacy process. 90s given. So I'm explaining the BI history. Focus everyone. The market more than 45 BI tools available, more than 45. Then why Power BI? The market more than 20 mobile vendors available. Why only Apple for you or Samsung for you or OnePlus for you? There should be some reason, right? That I'm going to explain now. Kindly focus. If you attend an interview in the management round, they will not ask you technical questions. I had Tableau also there in the market. Why Power BI? Or MSB available in the market? Why Power BI? How do you answer? So first learn that properly. Even you need to feel confident. Yes, I'm learning a very strong component and proper component in the market. If you like it first, then you will enjoy in the learning. If you don't like it, you cannot enjoy. Right. BA process, early 90s given. And the process helps management team to analyze the business intelligence data. Then what is a process? It's a fixed process. And layered process. The 4 layers available. This is the first layer. ETL, extract, transform, load. Second layer, huge data storage. Third layer, specific data storage or semantic layer. I will use a specific word, semantic. Semantic means meaningful. Data presentation, fourth one. So these are the 4 layers scientists suggested. If you want to have a proper analytical system, pass your data in these 4 layers. What happens in the first layer? First layer, you will bring the data. You will ensure the quality of data, and you will perform data changes, what all required for you. And then you need to move to a huge storage. So the daily data moved here, data incremented here, data history maintained, and many more operations take place in this huge storage. From this huge storage, take required data, only required data, because complete historical data is not required all the times. For example, last 1 quarter data you want to analyze, or only savings account data you want to analyze. That is important for you. Take only savings account data. And savings account calculations, savings account processing, everything do it. That is a semantic area, specific storage area. So total history in one area, and required data analytical information one area. And then you go to presentation area to present this data. So scientists suggested these 4 layers. Don't feel confused. It's a fixed process. You want to construct a house. How do you construct? First, foundation, pillars, roof, side wall, and then we continue. We don't start directly. The same way here also. First, you need to bring the data and create huge storages. Let us specific storages which are required for your analysis, and then present it. So this is a BI process. And 90s, so since 90s, we have multiple BI tools. If you look at this, Informatica, Data Stage, Ab initio, these kind of tools in this area only. Teradata, Oracle, DB2, these kind of databases in this area. These kind of tools in this area, like this available. No company has given end-to-end support. That's a major problem. So small, medium companies scared to use it. They get afraid of seeing this process because multiple tools, multiple people they need to recruit, multiple setups they need to maintain. They're scared to use it. So Microsoft decided, why don't we give a simple solution where people can do end-to-end? That is MSBI. Listen to the point. The first proud BI product in the market, MSBI, with end-to-end support. So SSIS, it is a tool 1 in this suite. SSAS, tool 2 in this suite. SSRS, tool 3 in this suite. SSIS, ETL process. AS for analytical process. RS for reporting. Then what is IS? Integration services. SS for SQL Server. NRS services. SS for SQL Server. RS reporting services. So 3 tools combination is MSBI suite for end-to-end process. That's why MSBI suite is called self-service BI suite. What is self-service? When you go to restaurants and many places, we find the word self-service. We take the token, we go to the counter, we take the food, we will eat and we will place somewhere. Everything our own we do. This suite also will do end-to-end process. That's why we call it as a self-service BI suite. Got clarity? That's why MSBA come under middle age BA. So this is a BA evolution, focus on this. A legacy BA, old BA, multiple tools, multiple people, multiple setups required, costly, complex. Middle age MSBA, 2005 it was given. Microsoft given, Microsoft only started middle age. Even modern age also Microsoft started. You don't believe. So MSBA comes under middle age and modern BA is Power BA. Why sir, when MSBA available, Power BA? Now we'll tell you, don't worry. So MSBA level, these are the versions available. Every 2 to 3 years, there is a version. 5, 8, 8R to 12, 14, 16, 17, 19, 22. And 2018 onwards, Microsoft leader. So 2008 onwards, Microsoft leader because of MSBA in analytics and BA. MSBA is not a normal component. And if you feel like Power BI is an advanced of MSBA, wrong. MSBA is still strong. Do you think Samsung is advanced of Nokia? Nokia 1100? No, right? It is providing its own service. Still people purchasing. And yeah, own service, own offerings. And these phones providing their own offerings. And it is having its strong market, and even this one having. Nokia company stopped developing smartphones, but not those phones. It's interesting. Yes. So there is no question of this is strong or this is advanced or this is not advanced. MSB is still rocking in the market because of its features, and it only brought leadership to Microsoft. Since 2008, Microsoft is a leader in the market. Sir, how come we believe your statement? Leader, I will show you. We'll go to statistics. It's all important. Look at this. Gartner Magic Quadrant. This is one organization who usually rate IT applications. Gartner company. Microsoft named a leader in 2023 Gartner Magic Quadrant for analytics and BI platforms. Leader 23. See, we are thrilled to announce that 16th consecutive year Microsoft has been leader. Power BI recently released. But how come for the last 16 years Microsoft leader? Because of MSBA. MSBA brought the leadership, Power BI continuing it. Okay. And this is a leader. Microsoft is a leader. They did not mention Power BI or MSBA. Microsoft is a leader in the BA. So if you have a question like, will I get good market life? For the last 16 years, leader. If leader does not have market, what about all this? So don't, so remove such kind of question from your mind. Then, till or as long as BA available, Microsoft available. It's a leader, definitely will continue next 10, 15 years, the same. And Microsoft is the only one organization providing wonderful analytical solutions. Continuously providing. If Power BI, if they feel like it is evaporated, then they will go for something else. But it definitely will establish a wonderful career if you learn any BI tool of Microsoft. But always we prefer a modern one, so Power BI now. For the last 6 years, no doubt. Very strong in the market, and the market share for Power BI is 42%. If 100 projects you take in the business intelligence level, analytics level, 42 projects in Power BI. And rest 58% is shared by MSBA, Tableau, ClickView, and the Talent, sorry, not Talent, Tableau, ClickView, Looker, ClickView, ClickSense, and many other. Remaining 52. But Power BI alone, 42% market share. This picture is okay. Market leader. So I said about Gartner. You can go and see Forrester Wave. There is one more organization. Their rating also you can see. They also clearly mention why Microsoft is a leader in analytics and BA for the last 15 years. Just type Forrester Wave BA rating. You will find it. Next. But one question, sir, Power BI is MSBA having wonderful features. You brought leadership, then why Power BI? This is the answer. Listen to it. Why we need to move to modern BA? MSBA released in 2004. And the market features are before 2004 market only. MSBA tool level. The engine support also before 2004 market-based engine. The concepts, everything. And IT industry level, after 2004, there's a drastic change. Facebook in 2004 announced. Google Analytics, 2005 onwards. Especially unstructured data. And many more. Even cloud also, from 2006 onwards available in the market. And we are using apps for the last 5-6 years. But 2009 onwards, apps are available, mobile and tab apps. This support not available in MSBA. In a layman not using a web application to book a ticket, he's going to mobile and doing it. He's going to mobile and transferring it. Phone pay, GPay, everything. We are depending on mobile friendliness, tab friendliness, not available.
Like counter,
Yeah.
we went to counter and
Correct.
then more web-based application. Right now, mobile also.
Correct. And nowadays we are keeping our data safely in the cloud level. We are paying for it and purchasing it. Dropbox, Google Drive, Apple, Samsung, OneDrive. The support not available in MSBA. And those are a few examples. See, cloud support is less in MSBA. And the self-service BA to perform operations, okay. No mobile or tab friendly. Very limited sources only it can work on, not many sources. And no embedding. You cannot place MSB application in Facebook level. You have a Facebook page. MSB report you want to show. Not possible. You have an X, Twitter X. You want to show MSB report. Not possible. That is called embedding. Embedding is not possible. Compulsory average coding we need to write. Compulsory average coding we need to write. And the report visuals are very limited because that was the initial time. And every 2 to 3 years there is a change. IT changing drastically, but the tools are coming the features are coming every 2 to 3 years. So people ask Microsoft, so why don't you release and give a new component where we see all this? That is the extension of MS BI or adding more features to existing Microsoft BI. That is Power BI. Power BI adding more features to the existing BI. And Power BI level, full support to cloud available, on-premises available. Power BI level, mobile friendly operations possible. Any type of data loading possible. You can easily place Power BI in your company website level, blog level, and your website blog, your other areas, any area like SharePoint level and many areas. And Power BI level, no need to write much code. This is one more important point. Low code, many visuals available which are suitable for the current market. And monthly update. Power BI level, we have monthly updates. This is the most beautiful one. As IT market is drastically changing, they decided to give monthly update. The first BI tool with monthly changes capturing is Power BI. In case you release a new technology, new platform, immediately Microsoft will join with you and mention in next month update of Power BI. So we joined with so-and-so company. That is the reason why we are having artificial intelligence features. AA. So Power BI also having AA, that is Fabric A, Power BI. So in case you want to conclude Power BI, this is a way you need to conclude. MS BI level, multiple tools required. Look at this picture, final one. MS BI level, multiple tools required. Tool 1, Tool 2, Tool 3. But Power BI level, single application sufficient. Single application. So we call it as a self-service BI application, where we have multiple concepts. To perform end-to-end of process and generate report. So this is a concept one, Power Query concept in this area. Power Pivot concept in this area. Power View, Power Map concept in this area. So this concept will help you to do the ETL process. This concept will help you to do analytical process. These concepts will help you to do this. Simply complete process in a single application you can do in Power BI. Not like MS BI, multiple tools. No need of multiple tools in Power BI. Multiple concepts sufficient. Single application, not beautiful, right? Everything in a single area. If somebody asks you, Babu, could you please define what is Power BI? Single line, adding more features to the existing BI process. Or Power BI is a low-code, cloud and on-premises supportive, self-service BI application which generates report or dashboard from the data. So this is a definition. So by using Power BI, you will generate reports and dashboards. Now, if you question, there are many tools available to generate reports and dashboard. Why Power BI? Because it's low code. Cloud and on-premises support available. Everything we can do in a single area. So if you explain to other people the same definition, 100% they will get complete clarity. It's given by Microsoft. If people question why Power BI for reports and dashboards, low code, self-service BI, cloud and on-premises supportive. And every month we are having update. From July 2013 to till this month, we have an update in Power BI. So July 2013, it was released. So release year. After MSB release of 8 years, we got Power BI. Sir, I heard about Power Platform, what it is. After seeing the success of Power BI in the market, Microsoft decided, why don't we give multiple low-code applications for different operations? And the result is Power Apps. So Power BI is part of Power Platform to 2019. 13 to 19, Power BI standalone, individual. But 19, Power BI part of Power Platform. In this platform, these are the 5 tools available. .NET platform, however, having multiple .NET languages, the same way Power Platform having multiple Power tools. This is having multiple Power tools. This tool for low code and reports and dashboards. This tool, low code for mobile and tab friendly apps. And this is designed low code for robotic process, automated process. And this is helpful for chatbots creation. When you open a website or a blog, you will get a message. How may I assist you? Please type a message. Those are chatbots. You want to create without writing much code, then this is helpful. And next, website or web page. Nowadays, no one is going for coding. And yes, drag and drop. You started a company, you need immediate website, or you started a new product. This season is mango season, and you want to showcase your business very quickly. You cannot wait for long for website construction. If you go to Power Pages, templates are available. You can select a template and change your details. That's it. Ready. So these are all the low-code applications. They will help you to do the respective operations easily. Don't worry, I will give you a good understanding later. But Power Platform is the platform Microsoft expected it would rise like anything. But due to lockdown and different reasons, companies started into different way. That is AI, artificial intelligence. So Microsoft also changed their mind and they given Fabric. Now Power BI part of Fabric. Fabric having AI-based solutions. A co-pilot and many features available in the Fabric now. And Fabric also a suite. Fabric also a suite with 4 market suitable components. They thought low-code applications will hit like anything, but companies completely turned into a different way. And even you heard about IT market is down. So before 2023, it was really awesome and good. Now little down. And market also completely changed. Companies also in dilemma. How to progress. So Microsoft, yes, they got good initiative and given Fabric. That is a major reason why Power BI having still a wonderful market. So Power BI for reports and dashboards, Data Factory for data integration. This is second component. Synapse for data storage, analytics, data warehouse, and data science operations. And Data Activator for data monitoring and governance. So these 4 components combination is Fabric. And Fabric only helping people to try as a data engineer, to try as a data scientist, to try as a data analyst, to try as a data citizen. These 4 components, if you have knowledge, are required components, what I mentioned here, then you can try for the required position. But Power BI, if you learn, you can try as a scientist, analyst, and data citizen. Report developer, BA developer, anyway common. So Fabric is a suite for multiple opportunities and multiple roles in the market with 4 components. Now you're going to learn Power BI, which is part of Fabric. Got understanding? So data, 3 types, 2 formats, 2 storages. IT applications, many types, but importantly, business running, business analysis. And BI applications, legacy, middle age, modern. Middle age is MSBA, modern is Power BI. And Power BI 2013 given, every month we have an update, no versions. And Power Platform, low code platform with multiple Power components. And Fabric is an artificial intelligence based solution for multiple. So multiple components. Multiple components for data, which are suitable for data engineering, data scientists, data citizen opportunities. This is what I planned for today. And tomorrow in Power BI, what are the components available? How do we create a report? This I'm going to show you tomorrow. This practice also, if this is a normal data, how do we use Power BI component to generate a report? This we will see tomorrow. First Power BI components, and then practice. Got clarity?
Yes. Sir.
So, right. Whatever I planned for today successfully completed. All join in the middle. And last, kindly go through the video and look at what I'm providing. We will share daily video, a proper communication maintained. I already provided my contact number in the chat room. Call me in these timings for suggestions, guidance, or any kind of help. And more into practical oriented knowledge. It does not mean complete practical. Sufficient theory as well as practical. But practical is more to get better hands-on and more implementations. And my course is suitable try in these areas. Any graduate can learn. It's a low code component. Any question from anyone? So I'm done from my side, the demo, and tomorrow is the second demo. And tomorrow demo, first demo recap 10 minutes. Next 40 minutes, Power BI components and practice. This is second demo.